Hi and welcome, it's Daniela again, and I want to show you my first layout created with the January kits. I used the embellishments and just one of those papers from the Pocket Life cards. Well, this time we get a kit that is fully packed with beautiful colors and a lot of chipboard pieces. And yeah, I wanted to create a layout that contains a lot of different embellishments and no paper at all. So when using a lot of different embellishments, you can add a lot of dimension to your pages if you go for chipboard pieces and just yeah, put them together slightly so that you have a lot of texture and different layers. And you see that here in the first step I am going for a lot of different circle elements and some tiny bits and pieces in different shapes. And I'm working with those chipboard pieces and some of the ephemeras. And yeah, I think that these colors are so fun and cheerful, and you can document all kinds of happy memories with this gorgeous kit. And it's perfect for girly pages, but also for a lot of different everyday life memories. So I think that here in this case I have the colors yellow, orange, purple, pink and blue or teal, and yeah, I really like this fun style. And you see that it seems to be kind of messy, and yeah, a lot of is going on just by adding some bits and pieces here and there. I also did some fuzzy cutting, but just two pieces here from the Pocket Life paper, and I want to place these or this piece here on top of my white cardstock. First of all, I felt like this purple banner might be a good idea, but then I went for another contrast piece and added another fuzzy cut piece in black and white. And I think this was a good choice because I also have this black bow, and yeah, there is also some black and white here in the banner. And I also wanted to add even more dimension by adding a floral piece. We get a lot of beautiful flowers in an extra ephemera pack, and of course we again have those puffy shapes, and I'm adding some of those as well. They are always a good addition to all the other stickers and embellishments. And you see there is no paper, just embellishments, and I really like this look a lot. So when trying to make a layout just with embellishments, don't be afraid of wasting too much on one page. It definitely is worth it. So I just add some handwritten journaling, and then after shooting this video, I also added just a few color splashes, and this is what my page turned out like in the end. Well, I hope you like my layout without paper, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.